Now here, we're going to slowly step it back, straighten out through that front leg. We're going to send the hips over towards that left hand side, coming in a triangle. So maybe right hand to your hip, right hand to the thigh or the knee. As that left arm lifts up, we're actively pressing into the feet. Now your gaze can be up, down at the foot, whatever feels best. Nice breath in. Let it go. We'll spin up onto those back toes. You can grab those blocks if you'd like. Straighten out through the right leg. Pull your right hip back and hinge forward over that front thigh. Nice gentle breath in. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. Good, one more breath in here. Exhale, let it go. Bend into that front knee. We're going to step it back, down dog or child's pose. Notice left side, right side. How's your breath changing? What do you notice in your body throughout this practice? It's a great one to keep coming back to too and noticing the changes. Nice breath in. Left leg steps it forward. Pause and hold. Reverse your warrior, lift up and back. Low twisted lunge, spin up onto those back toes, left arm to the sky. Nice breath in, nice breath out. Pull yourself, come up and back, reverse your warrior. Slowly step it back. Straighten through the left leg. We're going to send the hips over towards that right hand side. Left hand to your hip, your thigh, your shin. Flow down into that triangle pose. And observe how slowing down we can really observe what's happening in our body. Really tuning into those little signals that most of the time we're like, yeah, be quiet, like I have to keep pushing through. Nice. Spin up onto those back toes. Straighten the front leg. Keep pulling the left hip and sit bone back. Your hands can come to the blocks or they can come to the thigh as you're lowering that chest down over the front leg. Nice breath in. Nice breath out. Good. Take one more breath in here. Vinyasa through, so you can be on those knees or on your toes. We'll slowly lower all the way down towards the ground. Inhale, pull yourself, lift up and back. Little baby cobra. And then child's pose or down dog, yogi's choice. 2 breaths in here, and on that exhale, just let it all go. Open mouth, exhale, use your breath. Nice job. Take one more breath out here. Yourself, come back up, and let's go ahead. Now if you've got the bolster, you can grab that, or you can roll your blanket up quite a bit. We're going to come onto our side. Let's start on our right hand side. You'll pull your right knee in, and that left leg is going to go back behind, so you're in this 90-90 hip position. I like getting the bolster kind of at the top of my pelvis. You can play with it a little lower, closer to your hip, or a little higher. And then coming down, and you're going to have both of the forearms on either side of the bolster or your blanket rolled up. You could also prop up some blocks as well. We're going to twist over towards the right hand side. Let your head go over towards the right and just relax everything down. Now I want you to come back to the breath. It'll be a little easier here with the 4 in and the 4 out. I'm not going to cue you. I want you to ribcage expands, or how it might feel a little stiff and tight. Can you send the breath to your low back?